two-color brioche cast off purl-wise. First, you need first stitch with color 2, and slip 1, and bring the first stitch on your right hand needle to the second, and leave 1 stitch on the needle, and bring yarn in front of the needle, yarn over, and brioche purl, which is 2 stitches together, purl 2 stitches together. And when you see 2 stitches on your right hand needle, pull first, stitch over second, use tip of the needle, and try to knit loosely, and slip 1, and leave 1 stitch on the needle, and bring the yarn over, and brioche purl. Again, pull first stitches over second and leave 1 stitch on the needle. Bring the yarn back and slip 1 stitch purl-wise, and leave 1 stitch on the needle. Bring the yarn front, brioche purl, and leave 1 stitch on the needle by pulling first stitch over second stitch. Bring the yarn back, slip 1, so bring the brioche purl stitch, leave 1 stitch on the needle where the last stitch. Last stitch you either knit or just slip to have a cleaner edge. Doesn't make a difference. And that's it. That's how to cast off two-color brioche purl-wise.